If you had a time machine, what century would you go back to and why?
Oh, I think most Muslims will answer that question in the same way. If I had a time machine, where would I go back to and why? I'd go back to the time of the Prophet ﷺ, and why? Because I would love to have been with him, the best of creation, the most noble of all prophets of Allah, the greatest teacher, the greatest of all creatures of Allah. I mean, it would be so lovely to be in his company and as a companion of his. But obviously, there are no time time machines. But one day we will meet with Rasulullah ﷺ, and I have a feeling that perhaps we are so weak that Allah didn't keep us as companions of the Prophet ﷺ, because who knows how nowadays when people say, do what the Prophet says, a lot of the times you find people thinking, nah, I'm weak, I can't really do this, and I'm not going to do that. Imagine if we were with the Prophet, peace be upon him, and we said to him, when he said, we've got to do this, and we said, nah, we can't really do it. The Sahaba always said, sami'na wa ata'na. Here we've heard it, we followed it. So maybe that's why we're not from among those. We hope that Allah